Alright guys, we're about to get started. You know, it's going the high excursions are about to, you know, go back into the car. I mean, you know, I know it's gonna eventually come back to being time. I'm still thinking about getting some other subwoofers though in the near future. You know, thinking about getting a radio too. You know, if you guys are watching this video, y'all can recommend radios. It's gotta have wireless CarPlay. That's the hot thing going around right now. Wireless CarPlay. It's gotta move real smooth. And I gotta say, like under 400 bucks. Yeah, we'll take that. You know, under 400 bucks. You know, if you guys can recommend one, I definitely appreciate it. But we're gonna have to find a spot we can just work at real quick. You know, see what's going on out here. Gotta put some oil in my car. It's like 35 degrees out here, so it's not that bad. You know, it could be worse. You know. So what you guys doing with y'all systems now? If you guys just chilling, you know, holidays is up, you know what I'm saying? Family time, all stuff like that, you know. So, I mean, the only reason I'm doing this is because this definitely got to get done, because one of the subwoofers got a hole in it, which I would definitely show you guys in a few minutes. Hopefully very, very soon. Like I said, we're pulling up. All right, we back. Let me show you guys what's going on with the speaker real quick. I haven't really got a chance to well, actually I did get a chance though, but I had, like, you know, mounted the whole, you know, amp right down and mounted the whole subwoofer box down. Like, it's like I got plenty of room in here now. But show y'all. See, it's coming off pretty good now. I think the hole is right here. So it's just gotta come out, man. I mean, we tried though. Let's see if we can get an underlook under there. We tried. I mean, I can't really complain. It did good. Like, I think it's right here, the hole. It did good for what it was doing. So when we come back, we're gonna have the high excursions in. You know, they in the breakout because one of them was brand new, so they're you know, breaking in. So I'm actually letting them break in for now. So it's just a video to update you guys. I'll let y'all see how they sound a little bit, probably on 20. All right. They're back in, y'all. I mean, I'm about to hook up the speaker terminal. I'm not gonna mess with the amp at all. You know, it ain't like I already got it kind of like set. You know. But neat tug like usual. Peace and bass. Yeah, so we'll be right back. Yeah, they hooked up. Just a little short video. Probably next video I'm gonna hook up the voltmeter. Let you guys do that. This is the car voltmeter, but it's only reading the volts in the engine or from the battery itself, you know. So 14.4 is the system voltage. You know, so it'd probably be 14.9 for the regular voltage. But let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's see. We're gonna put it on probably 20. Got a bitch with me from Raleigh and I'm burning this whole face. Don't sound too bad to be on 20. But I'll catch you guys in the next one.